Hi students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about Python standard data types. So Python has several built-in standard data types that are categorized in different types based on the functionality. Here, a summary of main Python standard types are given here. First one is a numerical type. So numerical means it is integer, float, complex, etc. So int represents the integers, positive or negative whole numbers without a decimal point. See x equal to 10. So 10 is the integer value I assign to the variable x. So Python can treat x as a integer variable. Next to float represents floating point numbers which are real numbers with a decimal point. Example 10.25. So 10.25 is a float value. So a number which has a decimal point, nothing but a float value, which I'm assigning to the variable y. Python treats y variable as a float data type. Next, complex. So represent the complex numbers in the form of a plus bj, where a is a real number, b is an imaginary number. For example, z equal to 3 plus 4j. 3 is a real number and 4 is the imaginary number. Okay. Next, string. So str represents a sequence of Unicode characters, means group of characters. Strings are immutable, means immutable means we cannot change once you assign. Example, my string is a variable. I assigned hello world. So the group of characters I place inside the double quote, or we can place inside the single quote. In Python, double quote, single quote, both are same. Okay. So this is a string. Next, Boolean represents true values, either true or false. So example, is valid equal to true. So is valid is a variable. So variable I assigned it true to the is valid variable. Then is underscore valid is treated as a Boolean data type. Next, sequence types. So list. So list is unordered mutable collection of items. List can hold different types of data. So it is a mutable means we can change the value of these values. Okay, na? So a is a variable which I declared as a list because of this total various data types I placed in a square brackets. So 20 is an integer, Govind is a string, 10.25 is a float, true is a boolean data type. Okay, na? Tuple. So in unordered immutable collection of items, tuples are similar to list but cannot be modified after creation. Once you have created tuple, we cannot modify the value. Okay, na? So list we can modify the values, and in tuple we cannot modify the value of this. Okay, example a equal to 20. So go in 10.25 tuple. So here square brackets are there here, normal open brackets and close bracket. Set. So an unordered collection of unique items, sets are mutable. Here also we can change. Once you assign, we can change the values of this. So here it is a curly bracket. Okay, na? So list square brackets, tuple normal open close brackets, and set means curly brackets. Okay, na? So dictionary, a collection of key value pairs. Each key must unique and values can be any data type. For example, my dictionary. So it's a variable. So here this can be represented within the open curly bracket and close curly bracket. Here name is the key and alias is the key value, age is the key, 25 is the key value. So these two are separated by a colon. Okay. So here colon separates key and key value. This is nothing but a dictionary. None represents the absence of a null value. For example, x in none means no value stored here. For example, x equal to a 10, then x equal to none means so 10 will be replaced by the none. So this I will show with the help of a code for more understanding. Right. So this is the ID. Okay. So this is a x equal to 10 integer data type. So 10 is an integer. I assign the weight to the variable x. So print x means 10 will be displayed as output, and type of x means it is a class of integer. It shows as output. Look at here. So print x means 10 value. Type of x means it is an integer value. Next, float value. So float data type. So 10.25 is the float I assigned to the variable y. So y is treated as a float, and print of y means so 10.25 will come as output. Type of y means class of float. Look at here, 10.25 is the print of y and type is float. Okay. Next. So real numbers. Okay, na? Complex numbers. Sorry. So z equal to 3 plus 4j. It is a complex data type where 3 is a real number, 4 is a imaginary number. Print of z means I am going to get output is 3 plus 4j. Type of z means it is a complex. Z dot real means if I want to only get the 3 as my output, so then I should write z dot real. I want to get only imaginary value only 4, then I should write z dot imaginary number. Print of real number. So z is a variable. Z dot real, z dot imaginary value. I am going to get real number separately, imaginary number separately. Because print of z means 3 plus 4j. Class nothing but type of complex number, and z dot real means 3.0. Z dot imaginary value means 4.0. Next. So string hello world. This is a string data type representation. So this can be represented in a single quote or double quote. I am going to get the same answer because Python treats single quote, double quote both are same. What is my output? Look at here. So hello world. For example, I am representing this is as a single quote. Okay. Then also I am going to get same answer as my output. Okay. Now? So look at here. Once again I am executing. Then I am going to get hello world as the output. Okay. So this is a string representation. Next, Boolean data types. A equal to true. I am discussing about Boolean. So A equal to true, and T. This when you are declaring Boolean values to the variable, so T must be capital. When you are declaring false to the variable, F must be capital. Print of A means I am going to get true as output. So print of type of A means it shows the Boolean data type as my output. Okay, look at here. So first print of A means true and class means a Boolean. Okay, Boolean data type. Next, print 3 equal to 9. So I'm comparing. So 3 equal to 9 means 3 is not equal to 9. Hence I'm going to get the false as my output. Look at here. Okay. Next, Python sequences. So square brackets means tuple. Okay. Sorry. List A equal to 20. So go in 10.25 true. Print of A means so this will be this part is the output same. And type of A means it is a list. Okay. So okay, look at here. So I'm executing this. So I'm going to get the same answer, right? Like this. And A equal 20. This is a tuple, right? So only normal open bracket, normal close bracket. So integer, string, float, and boolean type. So print of A means this will be displayed as it is, and type of A means it is a tuple. Okay. Look at here. It shows as a tuple data type. Okay. Next. So this is a set. Set means curly bracket will be there, and A is a variable. When I declare the curly brackets, it is treated as a set. So print of A means this will be displayed as it is, and type of A means we are going to get set as my output. Okay, na? Only tuple is immutable. List and set both are mutable. Okay. Next, A equal to name. So this is a dictionary data type, and A equal to name and Govind. Name is a key and Govind is a key value. These two are separated by a colon. Age is the key. 38 is a key value separated by the colon. And print of A means print of A means this message will be displayed as it is. Type of A means it shows as a dictionary as my output. Okay, data type. Next. Okay, only I want to get only this name as my output, or that key value 38 is my output. Then I should write A is a variable. No, A dot get key name nothing but key value, nothing but its key value is Govind will get as output, and A dot get age is the key, and 38 will get as output. Look at here. So and this is the output I am getting. X equal to none means no data type. So x equal to none, print of x means so nothing will get as output. So okay, na? None means no value or null data type. So first I am assigning x equal to Govind, and after that I am assigning same variable x equal to none. Then print of x nothing but I am going to get none as my output, because so Govind is replaced by none, because second time I am assigning the value to the same variable. X equal to this is one data type, range data type. For I equal to in range 1 to 10 means I am going to get output 1 to 10 as my output. This is one more data type.